Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to play Please Donate in Roblox Mobile. Now it's a very easy process, so all you have to do is just simply click on play. Now just simply choose Please Donate over here, then click on play. Now just simply click on continue. Now what you can do is basically just simply go to any of the stalls over here and you can just simply donate to any of the user over here who have made a stall for themselves. So you have to stand in front of a stall, choose amount, then just simply pay with Robux if you have some. And if you don't have, just simply buy them and you can pay. And you can make your own stall and ask for donation yourself. So let me show you how to get your own stall. So it's very simple. All you have to do is just simply come to a location where it says your text here and below you will find it is said unclaimed. So all you have to do is just simply click on this option which is stand and claim. Just simply hold that and just like that you will have your own stand. And as you can see, I already have a $10 pass. So if any user want, they can donate me 10 Robux. Now to create a pass, what you have to do is just simply get out of the game first. So for that, just simply exit the game, just simply leave it. Now in the main menu, all you have to do is click on the three dots at the bottom right corner, then click on create. Now click on the three lines at the top left corner, choose dashboard, wait for a few seconds. Over here you should find a map under the experience tab at the top. So if you're on this place, all you have to do is click on the map, then just simply click on the three lines at the top left corner, and over here you will find a panel called associated items. Choose that. Now over here you can create a lot of things like t-shirts, pass, shirts, but the pass that I'm going to show you is completely free, and for other stuff you have to pay Roblox. So choose pass. Now just simply click on create pass, and over here just simply upload any photo. So let me complete the process. All you have to do is click on the upload icon over here. So I have just simply uploaded the image of my mouse. Now I'm just simply gonna name it. Then if you want, you can add a description. Now in the end, just simply click on create pass. Now after that, it should appear right over here in the main screen. Now as you can see, it is currently off sale if you look down below. So let's change that. So all you have to do is click on the item, then click on the three lines at the top left, click on sales. Firstly, enable the item for sale option at the top, then enter a price. Let's say for example 50 Roblox, and just for information, 30% will be taken by Roblox, so you will only get 70%. Now after that, click on save changes. So if we go back to the game and to our store, a new $50 cart will be added at our store, so people can donate on it. Now let's go back to the game. So if we just simply claim this stand again, you will find that a new $50 tag have been updated on our store. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to our channel, and take care.